30% of our children leaving primary school cannot read and write, cannot do basic arithmetic. So we're going to have the EASE program to ensure every child who needs it gets help with a hot, nutritious meal at school every day, whether it be primary or secondary school. The PNP will deliver that. And the money to finance that program is going to be spent with our farmers, because they will be the ones producing the food that will be used to make the meals for the children under the EASE program. So that $9 billion of expenditure will go into the local economy to help our farmers do better business. And for those families that are struggling with the cost of transportation to take their children to school, we have the RIDE program, where we're going to send out social workers and guidance counselors and find out why the children are not attending school. Go to their homes. And if it's transportation that's the problem, we have the RIDE program to give you a subsidy, $10,000 per month per child, to cover the cost of transportation to school.